Hi guys, it's Tayyiba. Welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna paint on stones.
What?
As you can see, I have collected many stones of different shapes and sizes. But in today's video, I will be painting only two of them. This is the first stone I have chosen. So without any further, let's start the rough sketch. After finishing the rough sketch, it is time for painting. Make sure to not make the condensation of the paint too dry or too watery.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure.
Now it's time for white paint. And my god, it was so difficult to paint white on stone. But it could be really easy for you if you won't make the mistake I did. Don't apply the layers of white paint again and again. Let the first layer dry. Be patient, and after the first layer is dry, and if you think it isn't really opaque, then apply the second layer.
I should celebrate, think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
And look how beautiful the white paint is looking. Time for acrylic. Then I tried to paint eyes with this spray tool, but it didn't really work well. And this is me constantly trying to make this work.
Some better day. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone
Then
can save
I
me,
did
and
some
honestly, I'm
touch-ups
not really
with the
sure
black
what's
paint.
saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it
And
grip it
use
and go and
black
get an
pointer for
X-ray.
the eyes.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
Everything is
Better change my
incomplete
mindset,
without
meditate.
details.
Pretty cool that I'm alive
And
have
for
better
details,
days.
I'm
Walk,
using
see you,
collection
I should
pen.
celebrate, think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Time for sketch pens.
I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day.
Finally, our first stone is ready. What do you guys think about the final result? Now it's time for the second stone. First of all, I will cover the stone with white paint. You can also use gesso for it. I am thinking of painting and scenery on it. After quickly finishing the rough sketch, it is time for painting. In painting, the scenery will go from the light colors to the dark color to create shadow and depth. That's the reason we are starting with yellow color. I am using yellow color for the windows and the trees. In painting, we use three shades of color: dark tone, middle tone, light tone. I have skipped middle tone in few elements in the scenery because I didn't want it to become complicated. In scenery, we start from light tones. That's why I am putting light shades of color first. For example, yellow, light blue, etc. Time for brown color. I am using it for branches, stairs and a pot. Gotta fill in light green for the leaves. An excellent example of tones is this tree. For light tone, we used yellow. For middle tone, light green. And for dark tone, dark green. And that's the reason the door looks so flat, because only light tone is used there. We will be using dark tone there soon. Let's use sketch pens for details. Time to finally fix the door and the window. You guys just need to trust the process in this one, and the painting will slowly make progress with the help of details and dark tones. If you guys are enjoying the process till now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I would be really grateful if you took your time to do that.
Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull
Let's add some flowers.
right, country limit.
For flowers, I am using pink and red.
I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night.
And here's a bonus stone painting for you guys. Originally my plan was to paint 2 stones, but the process was so fun that I decided to paint another one. As usual, we are gonna start with a love outline. I am thinking of doing abstract scenery and I am super excited for this. For the base, I am using white paint to make the colors pop out. After doing the base, it is time for painting, starting with dark pink color. Continuing it with purple. Make sure to blend these 2 colors nicely. Fill the space with light green and color the house with red. Now it's time to paint the sun. We are gonna fill the space with a lighter shade of pink. As you can see, I have added orange in the sun and dark green in the grass, using black marker for finishing. And it's done. What do you guys think about the final result? Comment down which is your favorite stone. Stone 1, Stone 2 or Stone 3. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye!